So what we do is we feel how things are moving. Right now I'm feeling how her pelvis is moving, and right now the left side is not moving as much as the right. So I'm also going to compare her tailbone and see how that's moving. It's actually restricted the left as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the drop of our table to adjust her pelvis. And then again, we're going to feel to make sure that things are no longer restricted. Right now I'm going to adjust her tailbone. Good. How we know the adjustment was effective is when things start moving the way that they should compared to side to side.